This video opens with a sumptuous plate of chicken parmesan from Cucina del Capitano, Carnival's shipboard Italian restaurant, featuring recipes inspired by Old World Italy. Opening text: Chicken Parmigiana, Cucina del Capitano. Ingredients are placed around a white bowl. Text: salt, thyme, pepper, olive oil, and garlic. 2 ounces of olive oil and 5 cloves of garlic are put into the bowl. A dash of thyme, salt, and pepper are stirred into the olive oil. A tender uncooked chicken breast is placed in the bowl. Text: marinate. Ingredients are placed around a pan on an electric countertop burner. Text: San Marzano tomato sauce, salt, sugar, olive oil, garlic, and crushed red pepper. Olive oil, a teaspoon of garlic, a quarter teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and 24.4 ounces of tomato sauce are put into the simmering pan. Text: cook at medium heat for 20 minutes. Small amounts of olive oil, sugar, salt, and fresh basil are added to the sauce as it simmers. Text: check for light consistency. Ingredients are placed around a white bowl. Text: 5.3 ounces of flour, salt, 3.52 ounces Parmesan, and 4.4 ounces of butter. These ingredients are mixed together to make dough, which is flattened out into a pan. Text: bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. 6 eggs are stirred into a bowl and put next to a bowl of flour and a bowl of Panko breadcrumbs. The marinated chicken breast is dipped into each of these bowls and put on a baking pan. The baking pan, along with ingredients, are placed around a frying pan on an electric countertop burner. Text: breaded chicken, olive oil, garlic, and rosemary. These ingredients are put into the sizzling frying pan. Now, the fried golden brown chicken breast is removed from the frying pan and put onto a baking sheet. Meanwhile, the baked Parmesan Crumble is broken up into small pieces. The chicken is topped with the tomato sauce and slices of mozzarella. Text: bake at 480 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes. The tomato sauce is spread onto a white plate surrounded by small bowls of ingredients. Text: parsley, crushed red pepper, Parmesan crumble, and fried basil. Fresh out of the oven, the mouth-watering chicken breast is placed onto the plate and seasoned with the surrounding ingredients. A waiter brings the meal to a woman's table and sets it down next to a glass of wine. Chicken Parmigiana, only at Carnival's Cucina del Capitano. A logo, the Carnival ship horn.